The big thing that people have to realize is that attorneys are not in the document preparation business. That's what LegalZoom does. Attorneys are really in the relationship business. I'm board certified, and that's a very difficult thing to get, but I am board certified in wills, trusts, and estates, and I am also board certified in elder law. I'm also a certified public accountant and a certified financial planner. So we have a lot of different tools, and I can tell you that when someone comes in here, a lot of times they think they have a problem which is A, and it turns out that's not even an issue for them. The problem is C, or it's B, C, and D. There are a whole bunch of things, and a lot of attorneys that practice maybe in the estate planning arena are not familiar with the elder law arena. People that practice elder law may not be terribly astute in the estate planning and tax area. If they're not certified public accountants or certified financial planners, if they're not accountants, they're not going to have as much tax information. And also from the standpoint of the investment side, we are, certified financial planners. It doesn't matter if you have the most perfect trust out there. If you make a big mistake, you're not going to have anything left to leave under the terms of that trust. So we can try to be there as part of the relationship to make sure that you don't make the big mistake and give you advice when you need it.
I'm Shelley Bookin. I'm one of Brian's associates. And there were specific events in my life that led me to decide to pursue estate planning as an area of law to practice in. The first event for me was a few years ago. I was pregnant with my first child, and that was really the first time that I started thinking about what, as an adult, I needed to do for the future, now that I was going to have a child, and in the event that I wasn't going to be there for her, what steps did I need to take before she arrived to make sure that she'd be cared for. And through that process, I met with an estate planning attorney and learned about the important things that I needed to do to put in place, to get life insurance and to set up a will, and for me also a trust to set a plan for my child to be cared for, both financially and also guardianship wise, if God forbid my husband and I were not able to be there to care for her. And while obviously that's not something you want to think about, the knowing that we had that plan in place should it be needed provided me with a sense of comfort.
People will procrastinate. It's the human element. We always procrastinate. The big issue is where the money goes more than anything else. We've got situations where the person, if they had proper planning, the money would not have gone where it ended up going just because of lack of pay, just because they didn't pay attention to what they needed to do. Life insurance policies that don't have the right beneficiary. You're married to someone and you're separated and you can't stand the person, you're going to file for a divorce, but you pass away unexpectedly. We've had that happen in the last 2 years. So it's when you see bad planning, that's the thing you want to try to avoid.